Vacuum valve performance is crucial to the operation of high-level semiconductor production systems. Any drop in performance, in terms of reduced sealing, increased particle generation, or slowed movement due to deposit allocation, for example, can hamper production output. So, what should I do if this happens? How quickly can I react if performance slows down? It would be worse if I'm not prepared to handle these unexpected occasions. If I decided to run to failure, will the repair costs and the unscheduled downtime still allow me to stay within my operational budget? It's a gamble. Don't take the risk. Fixed-price refurbishment removes all these problems. During periodic preventative maintenance, all wear parts are replaced at a fixed price and with a renewed warranty. The vacuum valve performance is re-established to ensure the operation of high-level semiconductor production systems. And maintenance is planned, resulting in easier scheduling and calculated costs, and higher and safer levels of productivity. Fixed-price refurbishment, an optimized approach to maintenance and refurbishment that's based on safety, not risk. Contact your local VAT Service Center today. As your trusted partner, we'll help you to find the ideal solution.